down there.
This is the Sorry Charley's Father's Day drive-in here at Sorry Charley's, obviously. I want every father out there to have a great Father's Day. Enjoy the cars. Thanks for tuning in to Drive By Cars with Alan. We're gonna go down and get on the other side of the sun and watch the cars come in. Thanks for watching. Happy Father's Day from the Father's Day show here at Sorry Charley's in Samsula, Florida. We're on the corner of Samsula Drive and State Road 44. Who's that guy?
What's up?
How are you, Nick?
Pretty busy.
Man, that is one slick Mach 1. What year is that?
70.
That's beautiful, man.
All original, 55,000 miles.
Wow. I'll have to go for a ride with you someday.
Yeah.
Awesome. Beautiful car. Wow. 55,000 original mile. Or, yeah, 55,000 original mile. Tom blowing his nose again. Tag reads 1973.
So we got breakfast in there now, so make sure you go get yourself some to eat. We're getting the bar set up out here at 9 o'clock. The bars will be open. Get yourself something to eat. Vendors are setting up out here.
1966 Ranchero. Pretty cool, huh?
Well, I guess I made it.
Yeah, so my birthday was one of my birthday presents. And my next birthday present is the Kennedy Space Center. There are views at Jetty Park, which is right there. Yeah, this is July 14th, 15th, 16th. So yeah, that was really good. We're doing the Space Center, and then we're going to the big gambling ship out there.
64 Impala. What a car, huh? Finish looking at this Camaro first.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, if you want water or anything, I got water.
Right. Well, that's another thing.
Mercedes did that.
Yeah, it's not like a heavy duty, space already. It won't make the car sit like that.
Mostly when I go around a corner.
I don't know why.
But this is beautiful.
Thank you.
What do you got? Fourth anniversary of Drive By Cars with Alan. This is one of the first gentlemen I ever met when I started doing car shows, Tom. I appreciate you as a person. I appreciate you as a friend. Thank you so much.
I appreciate you, Al, all your hard work. It's always a great video that you make all the time.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it.
4 years I've been doing this. Thank you
Watch
guys.
it every day.
I
Drive By Cars with Alan.
I appreciate you guys.
Better.
As Yete said, he's even watching reruns.
Yeah.
I watch reruns all.
Coming down the road here. Got a blower on it. Is that a blower? I don't hear any surge. No, it's just got a high riser manifold on it, twin carbs. It looks the part.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's all good.
That's probably
What?
Well, they're gonna have to open that up.
Mid 90s, mid 90s model. Blazer.
Yep.
Corvette right behind
Looks
it.
like they better open that gate, Wheeze.
Mercury. Corvette. Stingray. Couple dogs in it. Check that out, a Mercury Monterey. Nope, that's a Park Avenue, Park Lane.
Park Lane.
Come on,
Man.
Al, get your cars right. How come you're not videotaping, Al?
I am videotaping right now.
Oh, there you go.
Chevrolet pickup truck.
Oh, I know that. Pro Street.
Isn't that the guy from the flea market?
No, you mean Frank the DJ? No. Beautiful car.
Here comes Fred.
69 RC.
No, it's not. good, man. How are you?
Right up the corner there.
Custom cab, twin I-beam, F100 Ford, 65.
I put it right next to my garage and made it white like my house.
It's got a scoop and it's got mufflers. Yeah. Hot Wheels Z28. Corvette Racing. Comes another little Mustang with blacked out trim. Chevy Malibu. That is a Pantera, my friend. All right, fellas, what year is this C1?
62.
62?
I'll tell you in a minute. Yep.
It's a 61.
What?
Says 61 on the tail there.
Come on, Yeti. Come on, Yeti.
What is this? Is that a Chevrolet?
Oh, here? I don't know.
That's a Ford, a 1942 Ford with monochromatic paint.
Wow, what a power.
Corvette. And here comes a 57 Chevy. This is a two-door 57 Chevy. Is it a Bel Air? Yes, that is a Bel Air. And here comes a Mustang. This is the Sorry Charley's 2025 Father's Day show. This is my 4th anniversary doing car shows.
Wonderful.
I have 9,327 subscribers at the time of this video.